Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay guys, let's try to another concept from CorelDRAW, but now we try to Photoshop. Okay, the first image, the same concept with CorelDRAW. Okay, now I choose the silhouette, I think. Okay, change the layer. This I click on CorelDRAW and then export to Photoshop. And then okay, let's try this, but now I will close first to decrease my memory. Okay, Control Min, choose the size, Control T, which is the size of the silhouette, I think. Okay, move here. Okay, let's see the experiment. So let's see the result. Okay, all of you can see the horse moving from right to left. For this silhouette illustration. Okay, but now on Photoshop have panel of animation. If we use, we can try with this. The first I create frame, the duplicate frame, and the illustration of silhouette moving still the end here. First on left and on right. Okay, I will try to set up the delay time. Okay, let's try to 0.2. Between frame 1 and frame 2, I create twin animation frame. Okay, maybe I add 100 frames. Okay, look at the result. Frame 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay, let's try. I will play on here, play animation, and you can see the result. Very amazing. The horse look like moving from right to left. Use facility on Photoshop, panel of animation. Okay, let's try to another object. Okay, I will stop. We try to get maybe bird. And then I choose the illustration. Okay, I will change the illustration. I clear the white, Control D, and then move here. I close the illustration. Okay, Control Min. I will reduce the illustration. Control T. Okay, 2 minutes. Okay. Okay. Control plus, Control plus, Control plus. Okay, the same steps. I create duplicate frame and move the illustration. Okay, let's see the moving. Okay, let's stay here. Okay, maybe gives you 0.2 and twin animation frame maybe 100. Okay, let's see what the result. Play. Okay. Oh, I think too fast. Yeah, I think too fast, and we can set up again for the delay of frame. Choose the first frame and hold shift and choose the end of frame, and we set the duration maybe 0.3 second, I think. Yeah, okay, let's try from frame 1. Play. Okay, let's see the result. Okay, all of you can see the wings moving front and so on. Yeah, okay, maybe okay, let's try another frame 1, and I think maybe others 25 seconds. Yeah, one. Okay, let's try the one. Okay, much better, I think. Yeah, between 0.2 and 0.3. Yeah, maybe 0.25 seconds. Okay, all of you get the concept. You can try for your image or make look like this and get the concept. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on next lesson. Still get help of us. Thank you. See you soon, Sobatris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share, guys. Turn on notification.